Hello guys, this is Aishwarya again with another video, with another fun video over the platform HashXR and creating another 3D animation right for you, right for the kids that are aged, you can be of any age, I believe, to learn anything that you want. And so is my project. And so in this video, I'm going to create a project or a 3D animation called as car animation, where you can see already what my video and animation looks like. Now, I am showing you first of how it looks like, then I'm going to show you how to design it from the scratch. Apparently, and very luckily, when you go to the code section, this animation doesn't have any coding in this. So let me show you that. While I load the code part, let me tell you why it doesn't have any animation, because it is very much possible to create the animation using the design part, changing some features or some aspects of projects. So, I have this, though I can remove this. This is because you see, this is a Minecraft coding, which is not required for us, and it doesn't need to be there. So I can do this, and when I update my project, it will see the changes that I've made to whatever section I am on. So I have updated the changes. Now I want to show you how to design something, how to design this animation. So before I actually take you to the scratch of designing this animation, I'll take you to what the design looks like on the screen. So when I load the design section, you can right now see a screen with some green colored environment and a car which is there, which is of yellow color. You fly upwards and you can see that there is nothing else except for this ground, the green ground and the car. Now on the left side, you see in the scene layers also there is nothing that have changed till the ground. I've just gone to the environment, and in the environment I've done something. So in the environment, what I've done is by using a preset background. I believe I've used a preset background while just going to the options available. If I go to the options available, I think I had chosen this one. Wait, let me just go to one. I have chosen this one, Yavapai, and when I've taken this one, it doesn't give you all of these effects at once. It just gives you a flat sandy ground. But then what you do, you want to make it a little more spicy. So you go to dressings. You see in the right side properties of environment, in the dressings type. You select the type from this the list provided, and just so we were doing the environment, and inside the environment, I told you that I've taken Yavapai as my environment. I'll just quickly go to Yavapai to take, I believe this is Yavapai. And when I go in here, I already have this selected, and you see that because when you select Yavapai, you'll just get a sandy colored a brown colored background or environment, but we want apparently something more than that, which is in when you go to the dressings part, you see type of dressings that you might select for your ground. So I wanted to select mushrooms. That doesn't seem like any mushroom anywhere, but still I took mushrooms and I made the amount of mushrooms to be spread as 848 to some random figure by using the slider. You can reduce and increase the number as well. Then dressings in the center, I made them completely as one, which is the maximum scale. Then color of the mushrooms that I want is this, and the environment. Then I also want the ground to have canyons. Canyons is this pahad type structure, which is like of green color, which gives you an effect of having green hills over your stuff. And then the texture for those canyons, I made them Volcanoise. This is all getting controlled by the ground itself. Then you have lights, and I didn't touch the light component at all. I didn't touch the sky component at all. It is a gradient sky. You can adjust its color according to what you want. Sky color and horizon color respectively defines the two layers of the sky, which if you apparently changes the sky color visible to you very clearly. Then comes the mini car, which I've taken a clearly from the 3D models. You go to add 3D objects, type in a car here or something, and then you'll get options and choices. And I selected this one because I wanted a vintage car to make my animation look more interesting, and that's what I took it from. Then when I go to the mini car, I can set the properties of the car according to the position, the scale, the rotation that I want, and I did that same thing. You can actually have it changed using the arrow keys which you have in your keyboard. I'm just moving it around, and similar way you can scale the car to a size that you want. Like I can scale this along the x-axis using the arrow key, up arrow key for increasing it. The car, I don't want to have any physics because I don't want to be static so that it stays at a place. I don't want it to be dynamic so that gravity acts in it. So that's why I just made the physics as none, and I'm making it as an object itself. Then a shadow comes. I didn't touch this part. Shadow detect cursor events, collide with players. I didn't touch anything. I just went to animations then. And when you click on add new, you'll get an option of something like this to select options from. So this animation I've created when on click, like when you click on the scene, then the car should change its position from something that was originally fetched, and that will originally be fetched, or you can use my coordinate points as well to something that is somewhere, up also and away from the camera as well. Like some time back, before clicking on the scene, you were some minus 47 k aspas, and when you click onto it, then you reach out to 0, which comes out to be something nearer to the camera. So that is what the animation is about. You can also kind of, decrease the Z perspective to make the animation have the car just not exactly hitting your camera and a little backwards from the camera. Then it should start after 0.0 second, as this, which means that upon clicking it should start right away. It should have a duration of 1 second. That means it will start repeating itself, and it should repeat itself as an infinity loop. Like taking this means that you want your car to get animated bar, and you don't want it to stop within just one go or other. Then you want its direction to be forward so that the car should be facing towards the camera, and you should be able to figure out the animation actually works. Then this easing is actually telling you which curve animation should it be following. So when you click onto this, it gives you choice of a lot of curve animations which are possible across statistics, arithmetic, geometry, and mathematics for that matter, with the help of physics as well. So I just chose out this ease out quote, which shows a shape like this on the left when I hover into it. So I just chose it randomly. You can choose any of them, and the same animation will be followed. Now when I want to see the final result, I'll just go to the play section, and when you go to the play section, you apparently will just have to click onto the scene to make the car move, but you don't have to click on the scene, rather you have to click on the card and see, this is how the animation happens. So this is what this video was about, for creating a beautiful environment all by yourself and creating a car animation all by yourself. So thank you so much. Please keep watching my channel, My Open Book, and stay updated by subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon so that when I update a new video, you get notified. Thank you.